Hello guys, I am in a winter sports store, as you can see, and I'm here because this season, the winter season, I want to try all types of new sports. But I need to figure out what sports can I do on winter. And maybe I can start by checking the different sports and the equipment I should and I must use for each one. Let's go inside the cabin and see what sports can I try. Okay, let's go with the first one, button in on. Oh, okay, what is it? Ice skating. Oh, ice skating. And what is a must if I want to try ice skating? Oh, okay. This is a must. And by must, I mean the super important things that I need to wear doing that sport. So these are skates. Must I wear skates doing ice skating? Yes, I must. Yes, I must. So the skates are good. What else? A swimsuit? Must I wear a swimsuit if I want to ice skate? I mustn't. No, that is ridiculous. Can you imagine? No, the swimsuit for the beach. Let's see more winter sports. Oh wow, bobsledding. This is cool. I'd like to try. But what is a must for this sport to wear? Oh, skis? Must I wear skis if I want to do the bobsledding? No, I mustn't. I couldn't wear them inside. This is a mustn't. Goodbye. Give me something else. More equipment. A bobsled and a helmet. A bobsled and a helmet. Must I wear a helmet if I want to do the bobsledding? And must I have a bobsled? Of course. Yes, I must. I must have a helmet. And I must have a bobsled. Great. Let's see one more sport. What is it? Snowboarding. I've done it. I've done it before. So what is the equipment? What is a must if I want to do some snowboarding? Oh, okay, a board. Must I have a board if I want to do snowboarding? Yes, I must. Of course. And what else? Goggles. Okay. These are snow goggles. Must I wear them? Yes, I must. Yeah, because if it snows too much or it's stormy, yeah. Do I have any other sport? These sports are very fun though. Oh, the last one. What is it? It's hockey? Oh, curling. Okay, a new game. Curling. And what must I wear or have if I want to try this sport? A sled? Must I use a sled if I want to curl? No, I don't think so. I mustn't. That's impossible. Goodbye. And let's see something else. Must I use a curling stone and a curling broom? Yes, I must. It's similar with the hockey, right? Yes, I need them if I want to try that sport. How many options? What would you like to try first? Ice skating, bobsledding, snowboarding, or curling? Which one would be your first option? I don't know.
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello my children, again here and keep learning with us. Today we are working with this beautiful verb that I'm just going to circle, the modal verb must. And must means obligation. Must means you have to do something in a 100% sure, okay? Is a special word that we use when we want to say something is very important or necessary, but really like almost obligatory, okay? For example, you must brush your teeth before bed. Yes, you have to do it. You must brush your teeth before going to sleep, right? So, remember that afterwards, when you finish, you have to go back to the first page and decipher the message, right? So let's just start with the first activity. Who must wear the following clothes? Who? Look, we have a woman cooking, we have a girl playing soccer, we have some bobsledders, we have an ice skater, we have a diver, and we have skaters, right? And we have the words here: skaters, ice skaters, bobsledders, diver, cook, soccer player, and some words. And we need to create sentences attending to the clothes they must wear. So let's just start with maybe, yeah, let's go for the helmet. Look, the helmet is this. Is what bobsledders wear on their heads. So let's just start. Bobsledders, bobsledders, this word, okay, this is the sport, must wear helmets, okay? They must wear helmets, right? Yes, well done. Okay, then we need, okay, let's cross it out. Tip, 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 tip. And now we go for sandals. Okay, who wears sandals in here? The diver, right? So the diver must wear sandals, okay? So this is it. Remember, wear is to put on clothes, okay? Great. Now let's go for another one. Look, the cook needs an apron. This is an apron, okay? To not get dirty, apron. So now we take cook and we say the cook must wear an apron. This is A-N, okay? A-N, an apron. Well done. And I cross it out. Then what else? Okay. Look. The goggles are the glasses that the diver uses. So we could say the diver must wear sandals and goggles, okay? But let's keep finding. All right, soccer player. The soccer player is wearing shorts. Yes, they don't run with long pants. So let's just put here that the soccer player must wear shorts. Well done. Then let's go for who else? The ice, yes, the ice skater. The ice skater must wear skates, okay? So let's say the ice skater must wear skates. Yes? And the skaters, they are not ice. She's skating on the ice. They are not. They must wear skates as well. Yes? They must, and helmets. Remember, and helmets, okay? And helmets. So the skaters must wear helmets and skates. Yes, well done. Okay, but wait. Then we have sneakers, goggles, boots, gloves, and skis. So, the skis, no one is wearing skis. So, we don't need this one. Sneakers, what are the sneakers? Sneakers are the shoes, right? The sneakers. The soccer shoes, actually. So we could do it here. We can add it here. The soccer player must wear shorts and sneakers, right? So let's just write it. And sneakers. Then boots. Who is wearing boots? No one is wearing boots. So we cross it out. Gloves. Who is wearing gloves? The skaters are. They have on their hands gloves, right? So if they fall down, they don't get hurt. So we could do it here. The skaters must wear helmets, skates, and gloves. Yes. And the goggles, as I told you, yes, are these goggles. The diver must wear sandals and goggles. Yeah, we don't say glasses for the water, we say goggles. Well done, people. Good job.